Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel of Unique Cuisine. This afternoon I'm going to make a special banana cake. What makes it special? I don't use butter, I use olive oil, and I use pineapple. Crushed pineapple is good. Okay, it makes the banana cake moist. Okay, so I'll start with putting my half cup of olive oil. And then I put my sugar. I'm going to put 1 cup of sugar. I have to put one by one my eggs. And then I mix it again. After I can put everything. And then my egg again. So 3 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, so next one is my banana. Okay, 3 ripe bananas. Okay, mash it. Mash your banana and put it like this. Okay, you can put it all. And then you mix it again. Okay. What you do is you get it, those very ripe banana from the freezer, make it, thaw it, and then you can use it. You don't need to buy fresh bananas. So next one will be my crushed pineapple, half cup. I put it all. So with the flour, you can use all-purpose flour, and then it must be sifted, and I use 2 cups of sifted flour. Okay, and then I put 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I mix it, I put it there. A baking powder, 2 teaspoons. I put it with my flour, and a pinch of salt. So it's all there. Mix it all together, and then little by little, what I do is I don't use first the blender. I put it like this, and then I can mix it. So remember, already my flour has soda, baking powder, and a salt already. So I also add vanilla, just a half teaspoon maybe to 1 teaspoon. Okay, after this, what I do is I blend it again. over blend. Okay, I just put the last flour. Mix it again. And I haven't put my vanilla, so I add my vanilla. Very easy, but very tasty. Moist when it's baked. Done. So if you want to put chocolate chips, you can add it into your container. So remember, no butter, okay? And what makes it moist is your pineapple. There are other things that you can put in a banana cake. It's mayonnaise. You can also put it, 1 tablespoon. And yeah, so then here, depends on what baking pan are you using, okay? So already you have to preheat your oven, and then you will bake it for 350. If you want to mix your chocolate chips, you can mix it inside, but if you don't want to, you can just put it on top. Right? And it's nice. Well done. I'll show you it when it's cooked already. Okay? So 350 degrees, maybe 45 to an hour. You can just check it while it's in the oven. I just used my small oven. Okay. There you go. And then I'll show you once it's done. Of all the years that I'm baking, the secret ingredients that I discovered is putting pineapple, crushed pineapple, in my banana cake, which make it very moist. And I'm making this banana cake for my 2 daughters who are mothers. And I'm so proud that they can do it for themselves too. But to all mothers of the world, a happy Mother's Day. You are heroes, okay? For 50 minutes. That's why I said from 45 to an hour, but it's cooked in 50 minutes, okay? There it is. So you can put it in the fridge, or if you want to eat it, it's up to you. Okay? Just a reminder, the ingredients that I gave you before, you can make 2 of this. 8 inches to 5 inches width. And this is it. 2 of them. Alright? How easy the knife slices through it. Because it's soft. There you go. Mmm. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. It's moist, it's soft, and it's yummy. Okay, when you try it, let me know in your comments how did it work for your cake, okay? All right then, keep up the good work and I'll see you in my next video. If you want to see more, please subscribe below. Thank you for watching.